Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install WiseImage for AutoCAD 2021. So in this case I will install WiseImage for Windows 2021 on AutoCAD 2022. As you can see on my system, I have AutoCAD 22 installed, and now I will go to the build. So I will right click on the build. I will choose to run as administrator instead of double click on the build. I will run it and I will permit by clicking yes. It will unzip. Now it will install the CS integrator, which will integrate WiseImage with AutoCAD, and along with that some other prerequisite will be installed. So I'm okay with that. I will install. So once these prerequisites will be installed, so now as you can see the WiseImage installation wizard has launched. So now I will click on next. I will accept the license agreement, then I'll click next and I'll paste the password. Make sure that I'm not adding any space in it, and I will use my name here, and I'll use my company name. So I'm okay, and I will click next, and I'm going to install the applications to my C drive, which is correct. I can change it if I need to change it, but I'm okay with this. So I will click next, and now it is telling me that I can choose AutoCAD 22 as a platform to install WiseImage for AutoCAD 2021. So this is fine. I will click next, and I'll start the installation. It will take a few minutes to install the entire application. So the installation is now done, and now it is asking to launch the registration wizard. So I will say yes, I want to launch the registration wizard. And now as I can see that request online, I can activate license, or I can connect to the license server. So I will request license online, and then I will click next, and I'll check all the informations. So I'll change, maybe I will, this is okay. I'm okay with this. So I will click next. The information is correct, so I'll click next, and now I have options to request license online, or I can go for license by email or print or save as files, but I will go for online. My system is connected to internet, so I'll go for online. I'll click next. So it will take a few seconds, and it will receive one license from the server. So I can get the license from the server because I already had used WiseImage 21 trial versions on this system. So on this case, I will try to use the existing license, right? So on this case, I will choose this option, activate license. I'll click next, and I will browse, and I will try to find the license. So I'll go to C, and program data, CSoft, registration wizard, license. So I will choose this one. So okay, I'll click next and next. So I already have the license, and I activated license, the existing license, and now I should click on the WiseImage icon. So this is the new WiseImage icon, WiseImage Pro 21 for AutoCAD 22. So I'll double click on the icon, and the application should open. There you go. So now I can see that WiseImage for AutoCAD is opening inside AutoCAD 2022. So let's wait for a few seconds. It will open. Fine. So by default, you will not be able to find the menu bar according to AutoCAD. So you should type menu bar, hit enter, and you should change the value to 1. So now you have all the WiseImage menu along with the AutoCAD functions. So you can use now all the functions of WiseImage inside AutoCAD 2022. That's all for today. See you in next video.